All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wednesday. You know what that means. It's Wish Wednesday. You have songs you commented, and I read everything, and now we're here. I pick up one, two, I believe, this week. So this is the first one of them from NEFFEX. This song is called When I Was Young. It's you, Nas Gaming, you wished for this one, and we'd love to bring in NEFFEX here. If you're a fan of him, if you want to learn his song on guitar, then you know where to go. Growing Guitar is the answer. So yeah, Nas Gaming, hope you will love this, and all you NEFFEX fans. Let's go into When I Was Young. So as you can see here, we don't need any capo here. We have 5 chords we need to handle, and these 5 chords will kind of have one pattern roll in the same way through the entire song. We'll come to that first. How gonna play the chords is like this. B minor first. It's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this, and then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, that's the first chord. Next chord is G. Okay, so that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord is D, and that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Then we have the A, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. And the final chord is the D F chord, okay? So that is basically the D chord, but with this F sharp in the bass. So what you're gonna play is the 2nd fret E string, then open A, then open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. All right. So we have a chord progression that goes with B minor or the D F chord as the first chord, and then it always follows by G, D, and A. So the first round we're gonna play is B minor, G, D, A, and the next round, the second half of this chord progression will be to play the D F chord, then G, D, and A. So that is one full round. B minor, G, D, A, then D, F, G, D, A. That is what rolls through the entire song here. Now, we have different ways of playing this, okay? So we're gonna work with downs and claps. That's what we're gonna aim for. So in the verse, you have 2 options to play here. First is very simple. If you go to the first chord, we're gonna use the B minor, G, D, A. To look into this is to play 1 down and a clap. Big pauses in between. It's like this. G, clap, D, clap, A, clap, and D, F, clap, G, clap, D, A. In that tempo, 1 down and a clap. And maybe you notice I hit the clap on the E string with my thumb. I think that is the absolute best scenario for you when you handle the claps here, because we only have 1 down. You want the sound to ring out as much as possible here. So if you have a full clap on all strings, you will just kill the sound like this, and it's pretty boring. So let the sound ring out with the clap on the E string. That's enough. So that is one alternative way to handle the verse play. The next one is used also, so you will have to listen for the song and then decide where to play these different styles here. The next one is to work a little more with the downs. So if we go back to the B minor again, it will play like this for 1 round. Okay, so that is 1 round now. Down, down, clap, down. Okay, so 2 downs, then clap, down. And then you shift chord in the same order. So B minor, G, D, A. Next half, D, F. Okay, so the same tempo. and the claps are in the same timing as in the first version with just one down and a clap. So that is two ways of handling the verse play. Okay, so I just want to mention when it comes to the second choice here, the down, down, clap, down, you can go either with the clap still on the E string, which I prefer still in this version, but you can actually play the clap on all strings because you work more with the downs now, so the sounds pretty much never die, so it will sound like this. Okay, so here that works as well. So let's go into the drop now, and that happens first time at 1 minute and 9 seconds in, and then the second time will be at 2:37. All right, so what you're gonna do here is to add more to it when it comes to the downs. Now you're gonna play 4 downs, clap, and 3 downs per chord. So again, B minor, 4 downs, clap, and 3 downs like this. Okay, so that is one round, and now I would actually go with the full clap on all strings, so I don't have to think of any E string or thumb or so, just hit it and then continue to strum downwards, cause yeah, you keep the sound going on there. So that is one round. So with this corporation, 4 downs, clap, and 3 downs, it sounds like this. Again. All right, guys, you're gonna play this version with the drop here for 4 rounds. Okay, so that, my friends, covers NEFFEX When I Was Young, NAS Gaming Cooling. Hope you enjoyed that, all you NEFFEX fans. This one will put into the box of NEFFEX tutorials on my channel, so if you're a fan of him as well, go and check that playlist out and have a fun time. Till next time, guys, play tuned.